Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own Amazon account to use for Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on the website itself, but I'll sign out of my account just for this tutorial. And then what you want to do once you arrive at this site, hover over this icon here, click sign in, and then you'll need to go and create your Amazon account. Here you can select whether you want to use your email or phone number, and then you'll need to enter your name, your password, and your email. And then once you create your account, you'll be prompted to go to your email, or you'll receive a code on your mobile device. If you're on email, you need to click a link to confirm it is you. If you're on the mobile device, or if you choose your mobile number, you'll receive an SMS message which you'll need to enter the code of into here. And then once you've done that, your account will be verified, and then you can go into the sign in page. Once you're there, just enter your email, go into continue, enter your password, and then you might be prompted, depending on the device, to change go into your email and to actually fetch a code which you'll need to enter to confirm that that device is for you. Or you can also, if you're using a TV or something else, you'll be prompted to also scan a QR code. If you don't want to go get the code on your email, just open up your mobile device, open up the camera, scan the code if you have Amazon Prime Video installed on there, and then you'll be able to verify that device through here. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.